Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make dalgona candy, the iconic treat from Squid Game. We'll start by gathering just two simple ingredients, sugar and baking soda. Then, I'll guide you through the precise steps for melting the sugar to the perfect amber color. Finally, we'll learn how to quickly shape and press your candy before it hardens. Get ready to recreate this fun challenge. To begin your dalgona candy adventure, you'll only need two key ingredients. First, measure out 2 tablespoons of regular granulated sugar. This forms the base of our brittle treat. Second, have 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda ready. This tiny amount is crucial for creating the candy's signature airy, porous texture. You'll also want a non-stick mat and a flat press. Now, let's get cooking. Place your 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar into a small, clean ladle. Heat this over a medium-low flame, stirring constantly. The sugar will first melt into a clear liquid, then gradually turn a beautiful amber color. This process takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's a light golden brown, remove the ladle from the heat right away to prevent burning. This next step is critical for that classic dalgona texture. Immediately add your 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda to the hot, melted sugar. Stir very quickly and vigorously for about 5 to 10 seconds. The mixture will foam up and lighten in color. Pour this bubbly candy onto your non-stick mat. Press it flat with a greased press, then quickly use a cookie cutter to imprint your desired shape before it hardens completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.